Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. So today I hope that you're having a great day. As the title says, I've got a special announcement. So if you watched the update last week, I talked about doing this kind of new format, new show, this new idea ahead, and it's definitely in the works now. So the title of it is going to be Tool Talk with Chris. Something I want to do on Wednesdays where I'm just going to pick a certain tool, talk about it, give you my take on it. Sometimes they may be a little bit more like a review of a tool that I really like, and sometimes it might just be talking generally about it. That could be power tools, hand tools, big tools, little tools, just about anything. Now, I'm not going to talk about pencils, I'm not going to talk about a hammer, but it'll be a little interesting. But with that in mind, I've actually created a suggestion box, suggestion form, whatever you want to say. If you go to the link down in the description of this video, it'll take you to a Google form, and in that form, it's going to ask you 4 questions. And basically, it's going to be what tool are you interested in, what specifics, if any, would you like me to talk about, and then your name. If you don't feel comfortable with your name, this is only going to be for me to see. But if you are okay with me saying it on my video, then that's what the next one is. Next question will be, and then if you like the format of this show. So I've got tons of ideas. Obviously, my shop is full of ideas, but I like to kind of focus on the ones that I know my viewers want to watch. And so that's what that's for. If you have some suggestions or you have some ideas or different things that you want to know my opinion on when it comes to tools, you can fill out that form. I'll see it. And because of this and trying to kind of gear up for it, I'm not going to do necessarily one of these episodes next Wednesday. Might be skipping. It might actually be a couple Wednesdays away until I format it and get it all ready to go, because they're going to be a little bit better. I'm not going to have this standard static camera just looking at me while I'm talking. It's going to have a little bit more to it. I've got a guy that I follow, does this kind of thing, and he drinks coffee while he's talking about guitars, and I think it's kind of cool. I like the format he's doing with it, and that's kind of what I'm going to try to emulate in my videos. So apart from that, Father's Day is coming up really quick, and probably should have put this out a little bit sooner than later, so I am going to extend this one thing to Monday. Basically, I am going to offer a sale. So if you go to my website where I sell t-shirts, some plans, and a bunch of different things, I'm going to offer you 30% off of your entire order up until Monday. I'm trying to give you a little more extra time there. If you're a father or you have a father you're trying to buy something for that's likes woodworking, go to the store into the description of this video and buy him a shirt. So that is going to only be available till, like I said, this Monday, and it's 30% off your entire order. So that's the biggest sale, the biggest discount that I've offered with this thing, and so take advantage of it while it's there. So apart from those 2 topics, there's really not a whole lot to talk about. Just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of update, give you a scoop, and present to you the name of the show and the logo that you saw on the thumbnail. There's something that I've wanted to work on. I did something similar to this when I did the DIY show back. If you remember, if you followed me for a while, I think about 3 or 4 years ago, I did a Be a Craftsman DIY show. So I had 5 projects that I did in that series, and I tried to make it I thought of it more like a TV show in one sense, and I felt like it went pretty good, but I've pretty much canceled that whole idea series because that's pretty much what my channel has turned into, and so I didn't want to continue with that. But it's going to be kind of like one of those series, but just on Wednesdays, not my main project videos, and hopefully these will turn out better. I've also got ideas for doing a Friday night live stream. I might be picking a certain time, trying maybe every Friday. We'll see how that goes. Just to do a little live stream, nothing real big, nothing real long, just to kind of shoot the breeze, talk with you a little bit. Maybe I'll drink some coffee and we can chat about stuff. But I just wanted to kind of offer a lot more options in the video world versus just straight up projects. Because since I do a lot of DIY things, what happens with a lot of these DIY things is there's questions, and you may have a question that maybe you just don't feel like posting or asking, but in those formats you might want to do it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this one. Thank you for your support through all the years. Thank you for the support even in the past recent months and weeks and days. So we'll see you next time right here in the workshop.